Open page number 3. It's putting in order. Put these numbers in ascending order. Look at this. It's put these numbers in ascending order. Here we have numbers. Look at these numbers. These are not in order. They are not arranged in order. So we have to arrange them in ascending order. And what is the meaning of ascending? Do you know? The ascending means we have to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. Ascending means from smallest to biggest. We arrange these numbers from the smallest, starting from the smallest and ending at the biggest, and starting from the smallest and ending at the biggest. Look at these numbers. All these numbers, in all these numbers we have smallest number is 6. So we start from the 6. Next number is 11. Now we arrange this again. Look at this. What comes next? Is it 32? No. After 11 comes 17, because 17 is bigger than 11. Now after 17 comes 32. And after 32 comes, which numbers come? Is it 49 and 82? Tell me. It's 49 because 49 is bigger than 32, and the greatest number or largest number is 82. In all these numbers we have largest number 82 and the smallest number is 6. So we arrange them in ascending order. Look at these numbers one by one. We arrange it in ascending order from smallest to biggest. 6, 11, 17, 32, 49 and 82. Students, now we will solve B part. Here we have numbers, and first of all you will look at the smallest number. Which number is smallest? Tell me, is it 14 or 19? Yes, it is 14. 14 is smallest number, so we start from the smallest number and it is 14. In ascending order, we arrange the numbers from smallest to largest. So 14 is smallest number. Which numbers come next? Look at this. It's 19 or 27. Tell me. Yes, it is 19. After 14 comes 19. And after 19 comes 27. After 19 comes 27. Now which number comes next? Tell me, is it 78, 86 or 87? Which numbers comes next? It is 78. It's 78. Now which number comes next? It's 86 or 87? Yes, it is 86. And the largest number we have, it's 87. The largest number we have is 87. So look at this. We start from the smallest and ending at the largest. We arrange the numbers from smallest to largest. So the numbers are 14, 19, 27, 78, 86 and 87. We arrange these numbers in ascending order from smallest to biggest or largest numbers. Students, now look at C part. First of all, look at the smallest number in this grade. It's 13. Smallest number is 13. So we start from the smallest number. It is 13. Next number comes. Tell me which number comes. Is it 44 or 46? Yes, it is 44. Next number comes 44. Now next number comes 46. It's 46. Now which number comes next? Is it 51, 72 or 99? Yes, after 46 it comes 51 because it is small. After 46, 51 is largest, and the next number comes 72. And we have largest number is 99. Largest number is 99. So look at this. We start from the smallest number and ending at the largest number. We arrange these numbers in ascending order. It's 13, 44, 46, 51, 72 and 99. Students, I hope you will understand it and you will solve the part by yourself, and if you have any problem you can ask me. Now we have question number 5. Put these numbers in descending order. Students, as you know, ascending means from smallest to largest, and in descending means we start from the largest number and ending at the smallest number. Descending means largest to smallest number. Descending means largest to smallest number. Look at these numbers. Here we have largest number is 68. After 68 comes 66. Now comes 63. After 63 comes it's 41. Next comes 37, and the last number, smallest number, is 14. So in descending we arrange the numbers from largest to smallest numbers. Now we have V part. First of all, look at the largest numbers. Here we have largest number is 100. After 100, which number comes? Yes, it is 99. After 99 comes, is it 77 or 58? Tell me. Yes, it is 77. After 77 comes 58. After 58 comes 49. And the last number, smallest number, is 2. So we arrange numbers in descending order from largest to smallest numbers. Now look at C part. First of all, look at the largest number. It is 85. Right here 85. Next comes 82. After 82 comes, yes, it is 32 or 49. Yes, it is 49. Next comes 32. And the next number is 17 or 6. Yes, it is 17. And the last smallest number is 6. So students, we arrange these numbers in descending order from largest to smallest number. I hope you will understand it and you will solve the part by yourself on your countdown books. Students, now open page number 5. It's place value. Write the number according to the place values. It's 3 tens and 6 ones. 3 tens means 30 and 6 ones means 6. So 30 plus 6, it's 36. Now look at B part. Here we have tens, 0 tens and 6 ones. So we write here only 6. 0 tens means nothing and we just write ones value. So it's 6. Now C part is 5 tens and 3 ones means 53. 5 tens means 50 and 3 tens means 3. So 50 plus 3, it's 53. Now 2 tens means 20 and 20 plus 7, it's 27. 2 tens means 20. 20 plus 7 is equal to 27. 8 tens means 80. And in ones value we have 0. So it becomes 80. 8 tens and 0 ones makes 80. Now 9 tens and 9 ones means 99. 9 tens means 90 and 90 plus 9 is 99. Solve it by remaining two parts G and H by yourself. Now write in words. It's 4 tens means 40 and 5 ones means 5. 45. You have to write in words. And next number is 7 tens and 2 ones means 72. 7 tens means 70 and 2 ones means 2. So you write here 72. SEVENTYT 70 TWO 2. Next is 3 tens and 9 ones. 3 tens means 30. So you write here 30 THIRTYT 30. And 9 ones means 9. NINE 9. 39. So you will solve remaining parts by yourself on page number 3. It is on page number 5. It's your homework. If you have any problem you can ask me. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.